Hello everyone, welcome to Englishfloww. We make you speak to the world. In today's challenge, we are going to discuss about how to record a video and what are the benefits of recording a video and what are the fruitful decisions you can make out of this. This is what we are going to discuss in this video. So now, whenever you want to speak in English, what do? You just go and approach someone who is fluent in English. And how long that person can hear you, how long that person can teach you, correct you and rectify your mistakes. In another side, if you see, even if you approach institutions also, how long can the tutor correct you and do that mentorship to you. In another side, if you see, you approach your friends, you have discussions with them. In every day, can they help you to improve yourself? Who should improve? Ultimately, it is your job that you have to put the effort. You have to see to it whether you're growing or you are developing your skills or not. It is not the responsibility of others. Please do not hand it over to other person and don't blame other person. It is your duty. Every day you have to practice. Every day you have to put your efforts. That's when you will see the improvements. And considering this video making also, look at me now. I'm able to speak even though there is no one in front of me. Only I'm speaking to the camera, hoping that you guys are going to listen to it. And I know that you should feel as if I'm talking to you all. That is my only ideology. Yes, when I'm expressing all these things to the video or to the camera, I feel it that you guys are going to enjoy it. You guys are going to feel the way that I'm feeling. I'm able to reach your emotions. This is what I think. So this is not possible within a day, that I cannot cheat you all saying like, yes, of course, within a day I learned to speak in English by creating videos. No, it's not that way, my dear. And I know it's going to be a time consuming process at the initial stage, because you don't know what to speak in the video. You don't know how to create a sentence also. You know what happens? Many a times we don't know how we are speaking. We don't know how we are pronouncing the words. We don't know what is their expressions. If there is an exclamation, how do we express it? We lack with all these things. See, when someone is listening to you, they can listen. At the most, they can correct you. They cannot correct you 100%, because we are good at judging ourselves. We are the good criticizers to ourselves. First of all, we have to criticize ourselves. How do we do it? So the next time, whenever you create a video, just you have to start creating video and make sure that whether you have content on your mind or not, you have made preparation, it doesn't matter. Just you speak in that video whatever you have on your mind. And it is not necessary that you have to keep ready the script the previous day itself, or you have to make some preparation. Probably you can make some preparation, but don't try to memorize anything. If you try to memorize, that's not going to be a daily conversation or a casual conversation. For a casual conversation, definitely you don't have to prepare anything. For example, if you want to speak with somebody while the conversation is going on, you cannot say, hey, wait, I learned yesterday a vocabulary that was really tremendous and I'm trying to remember it. I'm not able to recall it. Okay, fine. Once I remember it, we can continue the conversation. Can you say this way? No, you can never say this way. So for that only, I'm telling you all, make a video on your own itself. And what should you talk in that video? You should talk only the stories that you have in your mother tongue. What? I have never ever heard this tip anyone saying. Yes, this is going to be challenging. That's what we are into, challenges, right? So why you should talk a story from your mother tongue to English? When you are reading a story in English itself, you get to know all the words. You don't have to try to remember anything over there. All the words are given. You are going to simply read everything and you are going to express in the video. That's it. But make sure when you are reading a story in your mother tongue and you are trying to express in English, it happens that there are certain words that you will not get to translate in English. For example, in my case also, for the first time I tried to explain the story of Kovalan and Kannagi into English. I was finding it too difficult. I was not getting certain words. So this is what we need in a conversation. We are not having certain template or a format for English like this is how you have to speak. No. There are enormous words that we are not knowing in English. That is the hard reality. And what is the point of going and reading a kid's story, even crossing over the level of intermediate? I know that you guys have listened to the technique of reading kids stories. Of course, it's good to read. But how long are you going to cling on to that and say that I'm still a learner? Yes, everybody is a learner, I understand. But in the process of learning, you shouldn't remain as a beginner. You should give promotion to yourself, right? Yes, I'm a beginner. Now I'm an intermediate. I am an advanced speaker. I'm a pro speaker. So look at the promotion that you have to give it to yourself. Always clinging on to the kids' stories and trying to memorize it. No, this is not going to work out. And mind you, there is one more thing that I want to remind you all. Learning English is not about forgetting your mother tongue. Probably like in Tamil, Kannada, Malayalam, whatever it is. It is not about replacing or forgetting. No, it's just another language which helps you in all the conversation. Maybe it's about your business or about studies or about any profession that you want to engage in. For all these criteria, you just need English. Just make sure this. And as I told, the challenge is you have to try translating a story from your mother tongue to English. And whatever the words that you were not getting, you were getting stuck, write down all those words and then check it out from Google or wherever it is, whichever the sources you have. This is how you will learn English. It's not about set of words that you memorize and then you start speaking. No, it doesn't work that way. And another thing is, coming from a village, can I speak in English? Can I speak in English? You guys have been asking a lot of questions with regards to this, and I want to answer this to all of you. Look at me, I come from a village. One thing to everyone who come from a village, I want to address you that, when we come from a village, we have inferior complexity to ourselves. It is not that somebody has to criticize ourselves. Before they do it, we will criticize ourselves that we are not up to their level. See, they have all the sources. They can speak English fluently. I cannot do it. Some of them who are studying in English medium, they have all the opportunities. They are fortunate enough. Look at me, I'm leading an unfortunate life. Oh my dear, don't do all these things to yourself. Because in the world of technology, you see that you are having all the available facilities. That is like you have your mobile phone. That is more than enough. You can practice on your own. You can make videos. You can create audios. You can watch videos from YouTube. Listen to it repeatedly. Put it on loop. Who can stop you? The thing is, like, you guys are stopping yourself. You guys are limiting yourself. You are brilliant. You have knowledge. Having knowledge alone is kind of theoretical. Only when you just experiment it, when you put it around practically, that's when you are stimulating your skill. Having knowledge and saying that yes, I'm a knowledgeable person, that's not going to work out. So the next time, whatever the knowledge you have in your mother tongue, try to express it in English. It is not that you have to listen to the stories only in English. You can listen to the stories from your mother tongue. Any story, any literary work, whatever it is, listen to it and try to express it in English so that you can understand that you are able to express your daily routines or like casual talks. You can encounter all these things very easily. You don't have to depend on anyone for that. And this is going to be an effective technique. And if you ask me, Sonia, I have tried this technique but it didn't work out with me. Try from today onwards. When you turn on the video, you should just focus. Yes, you're going to talk whatever you want. For 5 minutes or 10 minutes or half an hour, it depends upon your capacity. It depends upon your learning thirst. Just speak. And after that half an hour, listen to that. You will see lot of mistakes in it. I'm damn sure that you will see a lot of mistakes. Maybe with your body language, gesture, posture, with your eye contact, maybe with your pronunciation, maybe the way you pause. You will find it awkward. I'm sure about it. You will find it awkward. That why am I speaking so badly? See, to learn any language, you have to speak it to the bad level. Speak it badly, no worries. You can speak it any way that you want. But day by day, you can see the development. See, when you sow the seed, it happens that within a day itself or within an hour itself, you cannot say the seed is completely waste, good for nothing. It's not sprouting at all. You cannot say that. It has to take some time. It has to sprout. It has to stand as a plant, and then only you will see to it growing as a tree and providing some benefits to you. The same thing applies to your life as well. When you're in the process of learning anything, you just have to see to it with day by day developments. And I think so this video will be really helpful to you all. See you all in my next video. Until then, this is Sonia signing off from you all. Bye bye.